Hi guys, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can delete your Grindr's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To delete your Grindr's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Grindr application. The home page of Grindr application will appear on the screen. Click on profile icon at the top left corner of the page. From the displayed options, tap on settings. You will end up on the settings page of Grindr's account. Click on deactivate. On the next page, click on delete account option. Choose a reason to deactivate your account and click on delete. Enter your email address for verification and click on delete profile. This is how you can delete your Grindr's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.